Welkom or welcome. So this is going to be a very informal introduction to the course where we're going to explain what we'll be doing and how we'll be doing it. So we are planning on creating an Afrikaans course. I've been wanting to do this for years. So first off, if I start speaking a little bit fast like this and you can't quite keep up, feel free to turn the video speed down to like 0.5 or something. I get excited and that makes me speak really fast like this and I can't really stop it. So if that does happen, just turn down the speed and you'll be good to go. Now that that's out of the way, welcome to your Afrikaans course. So Afrikaans is a language that does originate from South Africa, and not even too long ago. It's actually a pretty recent language, and I actually speak it at home. So you're learning from a native Afrikaans speaker. Now you might be wondering, okay, cool, how will you teach me? So we're going to be applying one method, and we might be considering applying a different method as well, but the method we're going to be using is the direct method. The idea behind the direct method is, if you've ever maybe seen the Evil Deer Esperanto method, where he explains the direct method of learning Esperanto. Basically, I show you a picture of a dog. I tell you, und. You will then realize or make the connection, dog means hond. You know, they're the same. Dog in Afrikaans is hond. You'll make that like connection there. That's what I want. And it's a great way to do it because if you're not good in English or you're not good in Spanish or whatever language we were going to do it in, then that means you can still follow along because it's not in any other language than Afrikaans. That's the nice part about it. We might consider as well bring another lesson in that is English focused to Afrikaans. So I'll then say hond and I'll go like, I don't know. Hond means dog. Just ignore my writing, I'll get better as time passes. Because I do know a lot of like Indians and Chinese who are not great with English, so they might not be able to follow along as well, and we want to make it accessible. So we'll maybe give a second option for those who are good with English, but this is great because everyone can follow along, because that's how you learn. So I hope you all follow along. If you enjoy this and we get good feedback, we'll definitely make the course a lot longer and do a lot more with it. But for now, that's all. Goodbye. Tot ziens.